How to hide your liked post on X. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide liked posts on X. So how do you do this? The first step is to log into your X account, just like I've done here. Move to the top left corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Box displayed, move to the top right side, click on the three dots where you would see options for you to log in into different accounts. Then scroll down until you can see settings and support. Click on that and click on settings and privacy. On the settings and privacy page, ensure you select privacy and safety, which is located under monetization and above notifications. So by clicking on privacy and safety, when you put to the privacy and safety page, you can see a number of options. So the next step is for you to locate audience and tagging, which is the first option here. Then here you can see different options as well. So select protect your posts. All right, if you want to hide your liked post, so just go ahead to select protect your post and put on the toggle. So by putting on this toggle, you would be able to hide your likes from anyone who isn't following you. Alright, so by protecting your tweets, you ensure that only your followers can see your liked post. So this is it, alright. You can see how cool it is. Go ahead to explore this feature out. Have a good day.